Oh, is this seat free?
Yes, have a seat.
Thank you. Does this bus go downtown?
Yes, all the way to Times Square.
Is it far from here?
About 15 minutes.
Is this your first time in New York?
Yes, I'm from Argentina.
Welcome. Have you seen any landmarks yet, like the Statue of Liberty?
Not yet. I also want to visit a museum.
Which one do you recommend?
You should visit the big art museum downtown. It's very famous. You can buy tickets online to avoid the line.
Great tip, thank you. And where can I get a good coffee around here?
There are cafes everywhere. There is a really nice coffee shop near the museum.
Perfect. Where should I get off for Times Square?
At the next stop.
Thank you for all your help.
No problem. Enjoy your time in the city.
Good morning. A table for one?
Yes, please. Can I sit here by the window?
Of course. Here's the menu.
Thank you. I'm ready to order. I'd like a latte with oat milk, please.
One latte with oat milk. Would you like anything to eat with that? We have toast, croissants, and pastries.
Do you have toast with tomato and ham?
Yes, we do.
I'll have that, please, and a small glass of orange juice.
Excellent. I'll bring that right out.
Thank you. By the way, how long will it take?
Not long, about 5 minutes.
Great. Can I also have a glass of still water, please?
Of course. Do you need anything else?
No, that's everything. Where is the restroom?
In the back, on the right.
Thank you. I can pay with a credit card later, right?
Yes, whenever you're ready.
Good afternoon. Is this the Sun Hotel?
Yes, it is. Welcome. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name Elena Torres.
One moment. Yes, for 3 nights.
That's right.
Your room is on the 3rd floor. It has a double bed, air conditioning, and a TV. The Wi-Fi is free.
Wonderful. Is there a restaurant in the hotel?
Yes, breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. and is included. The restaurant is also open for dinner from 8 to 11 p.m.
Great. Do you have vegetarian options for dinner?
Yes, we have salads, pasta, and a very good omelet. The omelet is $8.
Perfect. And is there a pool?
Yes, on the terrace. It's open from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Please note that a swimming cap is required.
Good to know. Thank you. What time is checkout? Checkout is at noon.
Can you call a taxi for me for tomorrow at 11 a.m.? Of course. Here's your key card. The elevator is on the left. Enjoy your stay. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Can I help you find something?
Yes, where is the fruit section?
In the back, on the left.
Thank you. Do you have bananas?
Yes, how many would you like?
3, please.
Are they sweet?
Yes, very sweet. We also have red and green apples.
I'll take a pound of the red ones.
How much are they per pound?
$4 per pound.
Okay. Do you have grapes today?
Sorry, not today, but we have some nice oranges. They're very good for juice.
Great, I'll take 6 of those.
Now I need bread.
The bread is next to the registers.
White bread or whole wheat?
Which one is fresher?
The whole wheat was baked this morning.
Perfect. I also need low-fat milk, strawberry yogurt, and a dozen eggs.
The milk and yogurt are in the dairy cooler. The eggs are right next to the cheese.
Thank you for all your help.
You're welcome.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for white t-shirts.
They are in the back. Are you looking for a short sleeve or a long sleeve?
Short sleeve is better for the summer, right?
Yes, definitely. What size are you?
I'm not sure. Maybe a medium?
Here is a medium. The fitting rooms are on the right if you want to try it on.
Thank you. How much is it?
It's $10.
It fits perfectly. I'll take it.
I'm also looking for a pair of dark blue jeans. The jeans are over here. What size do you need? I'm not sure about the size. Can I try these two? Of course. A belt will go well with those jeans. This one is $8. I'll think about it. Do you have cotton socks? Yes, right here, 100% cotton. Great, I'll take 1 pair. So the t-shirt, the jeans, and the socks, that's all. Perfect, you can pay at the register in the front. Can I return the items if they don't fit? Yes, you have 15 days with the receipt. Would you like a bag? Yes, please. Thank you.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great, thanks. And you?
Good, thank you. Do you come to this park often?
Almost every Saturday. How about you?
This is my first time here. What's the name of the park?
It's called Sunnyside Park.
Do you live near here?
Yes, just 5 minutes away.
What do you do on the weekend?
I take walks, I read, and sometimes I watch movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies. And you?
Comedies and romantic movies. Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, a famous animated movie about a boy who loves music. Do you know it?
Of course, it's a beautiful movie.
You said you read. Do you read every day?
Almost every day.
What book are you reading now?
A simple book in German. It's very interesting.
Exciting. Do you like listening to music?
Yes, a lot. I listen to rock and tango.
Do you dance the tango?
No, but I want to learn. There are classes at the community center.
Really? I'd love to go. When are they?
Wednesday at 6 p.m.
Do you go every week?
Yes. Do you want to come with me this Wednesday? You just need comfortable shoes.
I'd love to. How long is the class?
1 hour. We could get a coffee after.
That's a great idea.
Super. So I'll see you on Wednesday, right?
Let's meet here in the park at 5:30.
Perfect. Thanks. This was a nice conversation.
Good afternoon. How can I help you?
I have a bad headache. Do you have something for it?
Yes, of course. Do you prefer pills or syrup?
The pills work faster.
Pills, please. Do I need a prescription?
No, this is over the counter.
Do you have any other symptoms? Fever, maybe?
I'm not sure if I have a fever.
Do you have a simple digital thermometer?
Yes, we do.
Okay, I'll take one. My throat also hurts a little.
We have honey or mint lozenges. Honey is more soothing for the throat.
I'll take the honey ones.
I also have some muscle pain in my arm.
For that, I can give you a sample of an ointment. It works very well.
That would be great, thank you. And a small bottle of hand sanitizer.
Okay, so the headache pills, a digital thermometer, honey lozenges, the ointment sample, and hand sanitizer. Anything else?
No, that's everything.
Your total is $15.
Okay, I'll pay with cash.
Thank you. Feel better soon.
Hello? I'd like a ticket to Boston, please.
Sure, for today, the next train is at 10:30 a.m.
Yes, for that train. How much is a one-way ticket?
$50. A round-trip ticket is $80.
Just one way for now. Is it a direct train?
Yes, nonstop. The trip takes 4 hours.
Perfect. Can I have a window seat, please?
Of course.
Great. I'll pay with a card. Is there a cafe car on the train?
Yes, you can buy coffee, sandwiches, and water there.
Am I allowed to bring my own food?
Yes, that's no problem.
And what is the cancellation policy?
You can cancel up to 1 hour before the departure time.
Good to know. Thank you.
You're welcome. Here is your ticket and your receipt. Your train leaves from platform 5. The waiting area is over there. Have a good trip.
Hi, are you new here?
Yes, it's my first day. I'm Thomas.
I'm Laura. Nice to meet you. Are you looking for the HR office?
Yes, I have an appointment with Martha at 9:30.
She's the head of HR. Her office is on the second floor. She's very punctual.
Thanks. I need to get my ID badge and sign some paperwork.
Martha will help you with all of that.
Great. Can you tell me where the kitchen is? I'd love a coffee.
Of course. It's next to the big conference room. The coffee is free. There are also usually some free cookies.
Fantastic. What time is the lunch break?
From 1 to 2. Sometimes we go out to a bar nearby called the Corner Bistro.
Sounds good. And the restrooms?
In the back, on the right.
Thank you so much for your help.
Of course. Welcome to the team.
Here's the bakery. It smells so good. Let me go inside. Good morning. Welcome to our bakery. Good morning. Everything looks delicious. Thank you. What would you like today? I want something sweet. What do you recommend? Our croissants are very popular, fresh from the oven. That sounds perfect. Would you like a drink with that? What drinks do you have? We have coffee, tea, and hot chocolate. Hot chocolate sounds great. Good choice. Here or to go? Here, please. Can I sit by the window? Of course. That table is free. Thank you. I'll bring your order to the table. Perfect. Thank you so much. This seat is nice. I can see the street. Here you go. 1 croissant and 1 hot chocolate. Enjoy. Thank you. It looks wonderful. This croissant is so warm and buttery, and the hot chocolate is perfect, so cozy and sweet. This is a great start to my day.
Checking my emails. Wait.
What happened?
A message from my sister and a news alert about a movie.
Ah, I see. You are very distracted.
Yes, every 2 minutes my phone makes a sound. Ding!
Linda, those sounds are time thieves.
Time thieves? That is a funny name.
It is true. They steal your focus and give you nothing back.
I feel like I'm driving in circles. I'm not getting anywhere.
That is because your plan for the hour is too vague.
Vague? What does that mean?
It means it isn't clear. You were trying to do everything at once.
You're right. I'm in the same boat as everyone else.
We all have this problem, but you can protect your time.
How? I cannot throw my phone in the trash. I need it.
You don't have to throw it away. Just lock the door.
Lock the door? But we're in an office break room.
No, I mean lock the door to your brain.
Oh, do you mean I should turn off the notifications?
Exactly. For 1 hour, you must be intentional.
Intentional? That means doing something on purpose, right?
Yes. Put your phone in your bag. Work for 60 minutes.
But what if someone calls me for an emergency?
Most things can wait for 1 hour. You need to be your own coach.
My own coach. I like that. A coach is helpful, not mean, right?
A coach helps you stay on track and finish the job.
Okay, I will try it right now. Phone goes into the bag.
Good. Now, what is your tiny goal for this hour?
I will finish this one report. Just one, no emails, no news.
That is a perfect, clear address for your GPS.
Thanks, Robert. I feel more in control of my life now.
You're welcome. Now I will leave so you can focus.
Great. Let's talk again at lunch.
See you then. Good luck with your report.
Thanks. I'm starting my 60-minute.
It's almost 7 o'clock. What should we do tonight?
I'm not sure. I'm feeling a little tired from the week.
Me too. Maybe we should just have a quiet night in.
We could order a pizza and watch a movie. That sounds easy.
We could order a pizza and watch a movie. That sounds easy. No, me neither. But my colleague told me about a new restaurant downtown.
A new restaurant? What kind of food is it?
It's a Greek restaurant. She said it's very authentic and not too expensive.
Greek food. That does sound delicious.
I thought so too. It's something different.
But is it very busy on a Saturday? I don't want to wait in a long line.
That is a good point. I have an idea.
What is it?
We can call them now and see if we can make a reservation.
Oh, good thinking. If we can get a table, then we don't have to wait.
Exactly. And if they are full, we can just go back to our pizza and movie plan.
It's a perfect plan. There is no risk.
Okay, I will look up their phone number right now.
And I will cross my fingers that they have a table for us.
Me too. I'm suddenly in the mood for Greek food.
So am I. This is much more exciting than just staying home.
I'm glad you agree. Okay, I'm calling them now.
Oh no.
Hello?
Hello.
Are you paying with cash?
Yes, here is $20.
Thank you. The total is $12.50. Here is your change, $5.50.
Excuse me, I think that is not correct.
Really? Yes, that should be correct.
No, I gave you a $20 bill.
Yes, and the price is $12.50.
Then the change should be $7.50.
Are you sure?
Yes, look, $20 minus $12.50.
Okay, let me look in the cash register.
Please, I counted it carefully.
You are right. I am missing $2.
Thank you. It was just a small mistake.
I'm sorry. With so many coins, it happens sometimes.
It's okay, but you have to be careful.
Of course. Thank you for telling me.
Can I get a bag?
Yes, it costs 10 cents.
Here you go.
Okay, so here is $7.40 back.
Perfect. Now everything is correct.
Are you from here or are you visiting?
I am visiting from Austin.
Ah, Austin, a very nice city.
Yes, but I like Chicago very much too.
Then have fun here in the city.
Thank you, and thanks for checking the money.
No problem. Thank you for your patience. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. Goodbye.
Excuse me, I think you are in my seat.
Oh, I don't think so. My ticket is for the window, seat 16B.
Wait, my ticket says 16A, and 16A is the window seat.
That's strange. I always thought B was the window seat.
No, A is always the window, B is the middle seat, C is the aisle.
Oh my goodness, you are right. My ticket does say 16B, and 16B is the middle seat.
I am so sorry. I wanted the window, so I just assumed this seat was B. I made a mistake.
No problem. It is an easy mistake.
I will move right now.
Thank you.
Well, I guess you have the best view today.
Thank you. Have a good flight. Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are we going?
To the Lake Hotel, please, on Lake Street.
All right, here we go.
Excuse me, this street doesn't go to the lake.
No, I'm taking another route. There is less traffic.
I thought Main Street was faster.
Not today. There is construction on Main Street.
Is this way longer?
A little longer, but it is much faster.
Okay, I don't want to pay too much more.
Don't worry, it is only a small difference.
How long will it take?
About 15 minutes.
Good, I trust you.
Thank you. I know the city very well.
Do you drive a taxi for a long time?
Yes, for 12 years.
Then you know all the streets.
Exactly. And I also know good restaurants.
Oh, interesting.
I recommend the Harbor Restaurant. Very good fish.
Great, I love fish.
And the vegetables there are delicious too.
Perfect, I will try it.
Look, there's the lake.
Are we almost there?
Yes, 3 more streets.
Your route was much better.
See? No traffic. Thanks for the ride.
That is $9, please. Here is $10. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Very nice. Have a good day.
Thanks, you too. Goodbye. Good evening.
Good evening.
Welcome to the Lakeview Hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, for today, under the name Thomas Meyer.
One moment. I cannot find your name in the system.
Are you sure? I booked it online 2 weeks ago.
Yes, I looked, but nothing is here.
I have the confirmation email right here on my phone.
May I see it?
Of course. Look. Today's date, a double room for 3 nights.
Yes, but I do not see a reservation number.
Yes, it is at the bottom of the email.
Ah, yes, you are right. Let me search again.
Thank you.
Still nothing. This must be an error from the website.
So what do we do now?
We can give you an available room for the same price.
Is it also a double room?
Yes, a double room with a view of the lake.
Perfect. That is what I booked.
The price is $80 per night.
Yes, that is the same price as my reservation.
Very good. I will keep that rate. For the apology, I will also give you free breakfast.
Thank you very much. That is very nice.
Would you also like access to the spa?
Is that included?
No, that costs $10 per day.
Then no thank you.
Here's the key for room 305.
What floor is that?
On the 3rd floor, at the end of the hallway.
Very good.
If you need anything, please call the front desk.
Okay, thank you for your help.
Of course. Thank you for your patience. Have a nice evening. Welcome to the hotel.
You too.